Hello, I am Swaminathan Sharma, practicing chartered accountant and tax consultant. Today I am going to talk about pay as you earn tax. Let's see. Yeah, there are a lot of changes has occurred in PAYE tax. That is from 1st of January 2020, there are no more PAYE tax. Therefore, the year of assessment 2019-20 first 9 months, all employees have been paid pay as you earn tax. Therefore, balance 3 months, that is January, February, March 2020, there is no pay tax. So where do you stand and what have to do? What employer have to do? We'll see. In the year of assessment 2019-20, that first 9 months, every resident individual is entitled for 100,000 tax-free allowance. That is pay when you are registered for pay tax, you are enjoying 1 lakh per month. That is for the first 9 months, you have 9 lakhs of tax-free allowance that you don't need to pay. Thereafter, the changes has occurred. That is from January, February, March 2020, it has increased 250,000 per month. Therefore, in the year of assessment 2019-20, first 9 months you have tax-free allowance of 900,000 and balance 3 months you have 250,000 into 3 months, that is 750,000. Therefore, the cumulative total you will have tax-free allowance. You don't need to pay tax on that total amount. The first 9 months of the year of assessment 2019-20, every employee should have paid pay as you earn tax, and the employer should have deducted and paid to the income tax department. That is January, February, March, there is no more pay tax. Therefore, the employer have not deducted. If they are not deducted, now they, with a written consent from the employee, they can pay the tax and they can say so that they have paid, and they are given the relevant documents saying that first 9 months they have paid pay tax, balance 3 months they have paid the tax. That tax is called APIT, Advanced Personal Income Tax. Therefore, you will have 9 months T10 certificate and balance 3 months you have a APIT tax remittance slip. So with that the taxpayer can file a return. Therefore, with respect to employees, those who pay tax, first 9 months you get T10 certificate and balance last 3 months you will get a APIT tax remittance slip. With that you can file your income tax return. If you don't have a income tax return, you should, or you can, if you are liable, you can open a file. Let's see what will happen in the year of assessment 2020 and 21. Now we see in the year of assessment 2020-21, that is a fresh year of assessment. You have a tax-free allowance of 3 million. That is 250,000 per month. Into 12 months, 3 million. You don't need to pay any tax. If you go beyond that, the employer can get a written consent from the respective employee, can deduct the tax, that is APIT, Advanced Payment Income Tax, whatever you name it, that employer can pay the tax, and the employer can give the certificate to the employee that the tax should, whatever the deducted by employer should be remitted to Inland Revenue Department on no before 15th of succeeding month. If it is April salary, then it should have gone on no before 15th of May 2020. Therefore, that remittance copy should be given to respective employees. With that, employee can file respective income tax return for the year of assessment 2020 and 21. Now, a lot of taxpayers and a lot of queries are coming. If employer is deducting this tax, do they need to file income tax return? Let's see. Yeah, this is a good question, because if employee is paying the tax monthly, whatever the slab, so why do we need to file income tax returns? So my recommendation is, you have a tax-free allowance of 3 million and there is a special relief have been given from year of assessment, that is from 1st of January 2020, that is every month you have a 1 lakh of special relief that is relevant to your education, medical, interest on housing loan, and there are other conditions you can see in this schedule. So in this list you have, if you want to get a benefit, if you should have a income tax file and you should file income tax return every year of assessment. Thereby you will be able to enjoy 3 million every year of assessment plus this special relief of 1.2 million. Altogether 4.2 million you need to, for the 4.2 million of your income, you don't need to pay any tax. Therefore, by filing or by having a separate income tax file, you will be able to enjoy up to 4.2 million amount of profit. You don't need to pay tax. Therefore, I recommend every PAYE taxpayer should have own income tax file return to enjoy these benefits. If you have your income tax return, you will enjoy 250,000 plus 100,000. But if you give instruction, that is a payee clients, that is an employee, give instruction to employer, and if they have an income of 350,000, they will deduct more than 3 million. That is more than 3 million. In this case, 1.2 million. They will deduct 6%. But whereas if you give, or if you don't give consent, that is tell employer not to deduct, I'm going to pay tax quarterly basis. Therefore, you can enjoy 250,000 plus that 100,000 special relief. Therefore, up to 4.2 million you can fully enjoy, provided if you file income tax return. Therefore, I recommend all employees better have, that is if you are paying earlier PAYE tax, not to inform your employer. You take that, or your tax consultant can take that responsibility, file a return. Thereby, in addition to 3 million, you can enjoy another 1.2 million. Altogether 4.2 million you will get the relief. 3 million as a qualifying payment, that is tax free allowance, and 1.2 million as special relief. Altogether 4.2 million. Thereafter, tax slabs wheels. Therefore, first 3 million you don't need to pay tax. Thereafter, the 3 million 6. In addition to another 3 million, you pay 12. More than that, maximum 18% tax. Therefore, I recommend, though if you are paying PAYE tax, now you can file your income tax return and get this total benefit. Thereby, you will be able to enjoy the full tax-free allowance of 3 million plus special relief of 1.2 million. But you make sure you have to file your income tax return or no before 30th of November of respective year of assessment, and every quarterly you have to pay the tax, that is APIT, Advanced Personal Income Tax. Every 3 months you should, but I recommend every monthly basis. You can if you have a fixed income, you can calculate your tax and you can pay even monthly. In addition to that, if you pay 1 month before the due date, you will be able to get the 10% discount also. Therefore, better file your income tax return or no before the deadlines, and or no before, if you pay the tax or no before 1 month before the deadline, you will be able to get the 10% discount also. Therefore, I wish all PAYE taxpayers have a wonderful year of assessment 2020 and 21. Hope this PAYE tax discussion is very useful. I look forward to another discussion. Thank you very much. I am Swaminathan Sharma, practicing chartered accountant and tax consultant. Thank you very much.